everybody, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new. I am starting a new series here on my channel called Medical Assisting Mondays, where every Monday I will be uploading a medical assisting related video. And this series will start tomorrow. Yes, you heard that right, tomorrow. You're getting videos 2 days in a row. And the series will be starting by talking about jewelry in the medical field, what you can and cannot wear, my suggestions, and just what I've learned. I will also be doing a video on the CMA board exam versus the RMA board exam, and in that video I will not be telling you which exam I am taking. I will be doing that in an entirely different video, along with my thoughts on why I am taking that board exam. There will be a video on how I'm taking notes to prep for the exam, stethoscope hauls, stethoscope reviews, stethoscope collections, and if you guys have a suggestion for a medical assisting related video, be sure to let me know in the comments down below. I will also be doing a scrub haul one of the days. If you have any like medical assisting related questions, I can do a Q&A if I get enough, and I really hope you guys are excited because I know I am. I definitely want to put more medical assisting videos up on this channel because it is a huge part of my life. So be sure to hit that subscribe button so you are notified every time I upload a new video. Be sure to come back tomorrow to watch my video on jewelry in the medical field. Give this video a thumbs up if you like it and are excited for the new series, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye guys!